It's represented by an icon resembling a lasso loop. Hi everyone, my name is Mohammad Shadab and you are watching Pixamove by Shadab. Welcome to our Photoshop tutorial series. Today we'll be learning about the Lasso tool, a powerful selection tool for creating precise selections. So let's jump right in and learn how to use this invaluable tool effectively. Selection tool. The Lasso tool is a selection tool in Photoshop used to make freehand selections of irregular shapes. Accessing the Lasso tool. You can access the Lasso tool by pressing L on your keyboard or by selecting it from the toolbar. It's represented by an icon resembling a lasso loop. Types of Lasso tools. Photoshop offers three variants of Lasso tools: the standard Lasso tool, the Polygonal Lasso tool, and the Magnetic Lasso tool. Standard or freehand lasso tool. The standard lasso tool, also known as the freehand lasso tool, allows you to draw freehand selections by clicking and dragging around the desired area. To use the freehand lasso tool in Photoshop, select the freehand lasso tool from the toolbar or press L on your keyboard. Click and hold your mouse button where you want to start your selection. Drag your mouse cursor around the area you want to select, tracing the outline of the object. Release the mouse button to complete the selection. Polygonal Lasso tool. Polygonal Lasso tool enables you to create selections by clicking to define straight line segments. To use the Polygonal Lasso tool in Photoshop, select the Polygonal Lasso tool from the toolbar and select it from the drop-down menu, or press L on your keyboard. Click on the starting point of the area you want to select. Continue clicking around the object to create straight line segments. Each click will create a new anchor point. To close the selection, click on the starting point again or double click to automatically close the selection. If you need to undo a point, you can press backspace, delete key on Mac. Magnetic Lasso tool. The Magnetic Lasso tool automatically detects the edges of contrasting areas in an image as you drag around them, making it easier to create selections around objects with well-defined edges. Selection options. In the options bar at the top, you'll find additional settings for the Lasso tool such as feather, anti-aliasing, and mode. These settings allow you to customize the appearance and behavior of your selection. Adding to or subtracting from selections. Like other selection tools in Photoshop, you can add to an existing selection with the Lasso tool by holding down Shift key while making a new selection. To subtract from a selection, hold down the Alt key, Options key on Mac. Feathering. You can feather the edges of a selection made with the Lasso tool to create smoother transitions between the selected and unselected areas. Deselecting. To deselect a selection made with the Lasso tool, simply click anywhere outside the selected area or press Ctrl D, Command D on Mac. This removes the selection and allows you to work on the entire canvas again. And there you have it. You have now mastered the Lasso tool in Photoshop. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in understanding how to create precise selections. Stay tuned for more tutorials on mastering Photoshop tools and techniques. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest videos. Thank you so much for watching and happy editing.